will begin with the African bio-mineral balance. It was first mentioned and it surfaced in 1988 in the Supreme Court of New York. When I mentioned the African bio-mineral balance, opposed to all the others as I mentioned before, the Ayurvedic, the yin-yang, the macrobiotic, and the homeopathic, well, Dr. Victor Herbal responded by saying, I've never heard of such a thing. I said, he's right. Your Honor, Dr. Victor Herbert hasn't heard about the African bio-mineral balance. But we have to remind the good doctor that he have not heard of a whole lot of other things. And the African bio-balance happened to be one of those things that he doesn't know about. The judge said, what is the African bio-balance? The African bio-balance, Your Honor, is a therapeutical approach that addresses disease on two levels. One, cleanses the body. An intracellular cleansing. Not only we concentrate on cleansing the organ, we concentrate on cleansing the cells that makes up the organ. This is a system that I developed that many believe that they could carry on and replicate it. Well, the fact of the matter is nobody have in their history of cured any disease but the African bio-mineral balance. The cleansing. Now we go to the revitalizing of the cells. As we cleanse the body, we have to now replenish the mineral that has been lost by the presence of the acid that caused the disease in the first place. That means,
are you getting that?
The biobalance come into the picture. The biobalance is the family of 102 minerals. Why? Because we are talking about organic food. We are talking about cell food. Cell food has to be electrical. If it isn't electrical, how could it nourish you? Because the human body is electrical. So the food has to be electrical. For there to be what? Chemical affinity, they call it. With chemical affinity, there is assimilation. There is production. Meaning, you digest it, it goes into your body and does the work you want it to do. But if that substance isn't a native plant, that substance is non-electrical. It's a hybrid. It's acid-based. I began looking for herbs in and out of Africa that were alkali. Why? Because they and they alone are electrical. So naturally, I'm before the Supreme Court and they want me to bring all these witnesses. Well, I brought 77 people to the Supreme Court. 10 times more than what they wanted. So everybody is around me was enthused. And so was I. I said, yeah, brother.